Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use snap camera after shutdown. Now if you see here, I have my snap camera right here. If I open it up, you can see right here I don't have any filters. I'm completely unable to use any kind of filter right here. So if you want to fix that, all you need to do is just minimize everything. You're gonna go to your browser. Now, I've added a link in the description, so you have to move to that link. It will redirect you to this page. After that, you have to scroll down, and under instructions for PC, you will get this link. So you have to click on that. And here we have to make a patch file. And how do you do that? What you need to do again, you're gonna click on choose file. And over here, you're gonna move to the directory where your snap camera is installed. Now, just simply go to your desktop, right click on your snap camera icon and click on open file location. Now just copy this directory, go to the side and paste it over here. Hit enter, and over here you have to select the launcher of your snap camera, click open, and scroll down and click on apply patch. Now you can see right here we have a patch file right here. So you have to replace the file with the original one. I'm going to drag it on my desktop. First of all, you have to just rename it and remove the patched. Alright. And after that, you have to go to snap camera as directory where your snap camera is installed. First of all, you have to delete this launcher. Just press delete. Okay, so now if you're getting this error, then you just have to simply cancel it from here. Right click on your taskbar and hit task manager. Now go to details. Now here your snap camera is running the background, so you have to click on that and click on end task. Once you have done with that, now you're gonna simply delete it and replace the new one. Alright, so we have done. Now you have to launch the snap camera with this icon. Simply open it up and boom, there you go. You can see now all the filters are available. So this is basically how you can use snap camera after shutdown. So all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.